Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I did a video on this exact fish with some items that are not showing up. You can see there's 9 objects, and you can see remnants, and I discovered tonight, if I zoom in, they're actually there. I just couldn't see them before. But they're so minute you can't see them. And there's some other problems that I wouldn't have seen in the first place. The safest way to do this, I mean, they don't show up because they're so small, is take your smart fill tool and fill this fish in. And first of all, I need to back up and change my nudge factor to something bigger than the fish. The fish is less than 4 inches, so we'll make our nudge factor 4. We'll set and we'll nudge it up, and then we can left click, right click, and we get the same fish. We don't have the other things filled in. But if you see there's just a curve on one layer where this has 9 objects, then you could just delete them. This is one of those cases that the F4 key is not going to help you because these pieces are so close. The other way to do it would be to go to Windows, Dockers, and Objects, and just start clicking on these objects. And there's that one. It's not on the fish, delete it. There's that one, it's not on the fish, delete it. There's that one, it's not on the fish, delete it. Not on the fish, delete it. But here's one I didn't know about. It's a little bitty circle right off the fish. Delete it. One more. Let's see where that guy is, because the object property is going to highlight it for you. Where is it at? Let's see, let's back up. See, it's right there. I wouldn't have not seen that. Look at that. It's not going to really cause you any problems, but you can delete it. I mean, it could make you, if it's a hairline, which it is, it could cut a little hole. And just looking at this close in while I'm here, I would definitely on this item take my smoothing tool and set it on something like 1/2 inch. And I would smooth out that part of the fish, especially if you're going to cut it and print it, show a little less work. Then you could take these eyeballs and these inner parts, and then you could fill in what you wanted to. You know, if you wanted that eyeball filled in, we talked about earlier in the other video, you know, you could fill in whatever you wanted to fill in. Fill in just the opposite of what we did earlier for the fish. Instead of filling in the fish, fill in some other items, and that might even be it besides these and these. But anyway, I hope that helps him a little bit, and thank you for watching.